Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create a Google Drive link to share files. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Google Drive and I just open the Google Chrome. I just want to go to Google Drive. What I have to do here? So on my right hand side, I'll find option called Google Apps and I just go to Google Drive or just type on the address bar, just type Google Drive. Automatically the Google Drive will be open. So the Google Drive will be synced with your Gmail account. For example, if you have your files, everything, it will be synced with your Gmail account. As you see, my Gmail account is here, so that why my Google Drive with synced with my Google account. Yes, so here there will be a home, my drive, computers, everything will be there. I just click here for the home, the quick setup, the what are the recent updates or what are the recent things will be there, everything will be displayed in the home page. And my drive, what are the drives I was showed, everything will be displayed over here. So I just want to show you quick and easy trick to copy the link to share with anyone. So I just click here for the home. There is a plenty of option will be available. These are the my drive because it is stored in my drive. So I can click here to share with me. If anyone shared with me the files, it will be displayed over here. So I just want to share my file with anyone with the link. What I have to do here? So just click here for the home. There will be an invoice, PDF and KG, PPT, everything will be there. I just want to create a link and share with anyone. What I have to do here? So just right click on that and you will find an option called share. Once you click a share option, there will be a share and copy link will be there. So first and foremost, you need to click a share option. Once you click a share option, the pop-up will be open here. So where you want to share, whom you want to share, it will be displayed over here. So there will be a general access will be displayed over here. So just click the restriction option and anyone with the link will be there. So you just hit the button anyone with the link, automatically the general access will be enabled with that file. What you have to do here? So you need to give the access for the viewer or commenter or editor for that particular file. So what you have to give it? For example, I just want to share the link to view. So just click the viewer, or the people wants to comment means you just click here for the commenter, or you just want to the people can access the option. What you need to give, you need to decide the role and you have to update. I just click here for the view, so viewer, and I just have the copy link will be there. Just click the copy link, just open another browser and I just paste that link and just click enter option. Automatically that file will be viewed, but I cannot able to edit because the drive is access. I have given the access, it is view option. If it is edit option I have given means they might have edit or anything. Without sign in, they can able to view the file. So this is the easiest and more perfect option. While you are sharing the files, you can share the link to your clients. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.